And I'll tell you, throughout the warm-ups, I mean, he didn't look at anybody. He wasn't talking to anybody. He was all business. He looked a little bit angry, which personally I kind of like to see after you've not done what you are accustomed to doing. You know, he said that winning a bronze was great, but his goal is to be an all-around gold medalist. And so he is not here to participate.
And you know, what Danell doesn't have that some of the other gymnasts do is the physical upper body strength. And so he can't hold those very difficult strength parts. But he's always clean on rings. And this is a beautiful dismount. Double laid out, full twist. Oh, and that is almost a given that he sticks that, but just the slide back today.